Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It is me, your friendly, weird, obnoxious YouTube girl. So in this video today, I'm going to show you guys how I created this smoky eye look, which is really kind of easy to create and I loved the process of it. So keep on watching and have fun. I hope you guys find this video helpful, enjoyable and fun. So let me know in the comment section what do you think about it. I like this video already because I am cute, right? I am going to do a very smoky eye look, and actually people just really overrate smoky eyes. Like, they look awesome but they're not that difficult to create. Like, you can do it. It's easy. So today I'm going to show the easiest, quickest and the simple way to create a smoky eye look which you can wear on almost any function. And let's jump right into the video without wasting any further time. Okay, so I really did try with my hairs today, okay? If they still look bad, then I don't know what else can I do with it. So before we move into the eyes, we need to get our base makeup done. And for that, the first product that we are going to use is to prime our face. So I'm going to use my aloe vera gel. If you have aloe vera gel, this is an option, you can use it. I'm almost running out of it. I'm going to take it on my face and I'm going to blend it with my skin. So now I'm going to do my foundation, and the foundation that I'm going to use is from Nykaa. It is their SKINgenius foundation range and it is in the shade Warm Sand. Now that our foundation is done, we are going to move on to the concealer part. So if you are a person who doesn't like putting too much product on your face, and if you do not think that you need a concealer, then you can definitely skip it. It's not that, needed. But of course, I love putting as much makeup as I can. So I'm going to use a concealer, and this thing that I love to do is that I have this foundation which is by LA Girl, and this is high coverage foundation and it is lighter than my actual skin tone. So I do use it as my concealer because it gives me, a 3D face effect which makes my makeup look really good. So if you have a situation like that, you can use it this way. It really does work well. So now that the concealer is done, we are going to quickly set it with some powder. You can use a loose powder or pressed powder, any powder of your choice. I'm going to use a pressed powder. So the powder that I am using today, it is from Maybelline Fit Me. So I'm taking some powder on this brush and then I will put it on my face like that. So now that the powder is also done, we are going to do our eyebrows. Again, if you are a person who already has a fuller eyebrows and a dark looking eyebrows, then you do not need this step. But I am a person who likes some eyebrows, so I am going to do mine and I will do it. So I am taking this Maybelline eyebrow pencil. Eyebrows are done, we need to carve them out and also have an eyeshadow base for the smoky eye part. So we are going to do them with the same foundation that I still have on the back of my hand, and yeah, then we are going to do our eyeshadow. So now that our eye base is done, we are going to quickly set it with some nude eyeshadow. You can even use a face powder, but I just prefer using a nude eyeshadow instead of a powder. Doesn't really make a huge difference, but it's up to you. So I'm using this shade from my Revolution eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to fill my whole eyelid with this. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to start by adding a dark brown shade all over my eyelid. So now that I have this even eyeshadow thing going on my eyelid, I'm going to take a light brown shade, like a very light brown shade, like this one, and I will blend it with the edges of my eyeshadow to just have that smooth finish. So now that the browns are done, we are going to take a little bit of black eyeshadow and we are going to smoke our eyeliner area out with some black eyeshadow. We are going to take the same brown color and a little bit of black color with it to just smoke out the lower lash line. So now that the eyeshadow is almost done, we are just going to quickly add some highlights onto the brow bone and the inner corner. I'm taking this goldenish shade and I'm putting it onto the inner corner and also onto my brow bone. So I'm going to use this Maybelline mascara today, and before mascara I'm going to curl my eyelashes with an eyelash curler. I did apply my eyelashes, and now I just realized that I should have also applied some kajal onto my waterline, so I'm going to do it now. So now our eye makeup is finally done. We are going to do a little more face makeup and then we are going to do the lipstick and then done. I'm taking this brush and I'm actually going to use eyeshadows as a bronzer because that really works well. I'm taking these eyeshadows and then I'm putting it right here. Bronzing part is done. I'm going to add a little bit of blush. I do not want to put a lot of that. I just am going to add a little bit. Okay, just a little bit. So for my highlight today, I'm using this highlighter stick by Wet n Wild. And then I'm going to blend this highlighter with my beauty blender. So now we have blended our highlighter, which I am not really satisfied with. So I am going to take this golden shimmer shade which I used for my inner corner and also for my brow bone on this brush, and then I'm going to add it over the highlighter that I just did. Highlighter is done. I am having a good life now. So I'm going to use these two lipsticks today. One is a nude shade and one is a pinkish shade. then yes, this is the final look.